Your SEO content can be a great source of outlines to feed your social media channels. And in this video, I'm going to share the workflow that we use to take our content outlines from our blog, convert them into video content that can then drive leads from YouTube back to our website, increase the engagement with the content on our website, and also provide content that can be put on other platforms such as Instagram Reels and TikTok. My name is Frank. I'm the founder of SagaPixel. We are a digital marketing firm that offers SEO-driven content marketing services for our clients. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can take your blog content and use it to drive your social media calendar in a way that's going to create a great feedback loop and really save you a lot of time. As always, if you find this content to be useful, please leave a comment, please give us a like. And if you're interested in working with me, go over to our website and let's book a time. Step number one, do a really good job with putting together the content brief that your writer is going to use for your blog. So I'm actually in the process of doing exactly this. I'm shooting a video that's going to accompany an article that was already written on our website, and at the same time documenting the process that I'm following to do this. So step number one, we need to take the outline. You can actually just take the article and basically talk through it bit by bit. Start off with an introduction. Make sure that you are within the first couple seconds stating exactly what someone's going to get from watching this video. And then use some sort of software like I use, you can see on my desktop, OBS. It's a great piece of software for creating different scenes. You can see the transition between when it was just me over to the scene where I'm sharing my laptop and with me over in the corner. I shot my introduction, so now I'm going to go down this outline and go through each section. This is largely a process of read the section, get the gist of what you want to say there, shoot what you're going to do, shoot your part, then hit pause. Eventually you'll get good enough at this where you can almost self-edit your videos, almost as if it were TikTok with the start and stop. So for example, in this case, I could talk about how technical SEO errors can prevent Google from being able to properly crawl and index your website, which is likely to end up resulting in a big drop in traffic to your website. Honestly, it's one of the first things that you check when you see a drop in traffic to a website. And then you hit pause. We're then going to scroll down, go to the next section. Next, I would talk about Google algorithm updates, poor content planning, so forth and so on. Just go down the article. Having frequent pauses just to gather yourself, to read the section, to get an idea of what you want to say is going to be a huge time saver. Now, there are people that are taking articles like this, feeding into ChatGPT, asking it to create a video script for you and just kind of making it more concise and to the point. And then you can put up a teleprompter. I'm not currently using one, but I could see that there could be a benefit to that if you're looking to have a more polished type of video. Generally, I try to go for something that's a little more familiar and spontaneous and just not so scripted. But ultimately, that's just my personal decision. So you've shot your video. Now it's time to take it, go edit it, get some nice transitions in there, get some titles, and then upload it to YouTube. The next step is to embed the video in your article. In this case, we did a video just following this approach, and you can find it right here. Next, go back to the video where you've embedded it on YouTube, get a link back to the actual article that you wrote, add some CTAs. In this case, I set up a link to the contact form or the contact page on our website. Then comes time for the content repurposing. This is commonly used with social media marketing. You're going to take that same article, dice it up into little nuggets that you can push out on TikTok, on Instagram Reels. By the time you watch this video, there very well may be another social media platform that I'm not even mentioning. And just make sure that as you're doing all this, that you have some sort of way to get people to navigate from one channel to another in a way that really makes sense. If you do this right, what will end up happening is you have your blog content getting people to come to your website, not only for a one-off blog view or blog read, but to actually also get them over to a channel where they may engage with you a little more deeply and more regularly, like on YouTube. A scenario may occur where someone does a Google search, they land on your blog, they start reading the article, but see that there's a video, so they check you out on YouTube, and then the next time that they're on YouTube, they may see other videos that are being suggested to them from your channel, things that Google's algorithm thinks they may be interested in. And that same video very well may be able to get people that have never heard of you to engage with you on a platform like TikTok, possibly feed you back over to the website or your YouTube channel, and ultimately make it really easy for you to have a lot of different touch points with a potential customer. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider giving it a like. And I'm also interested in if you feel there's anything else that maybe I've missed, or if you have any other sort of suggestions that we could implement in our content repurposing strategy. I'd love to hear it.